Okay, so today we're playing tennis with CC students. Gavin just closed his first closing deal today for KT. $6,800.
$780 on the day.
$780 on the day.
1K day.
Sandra's still a setter. Already busted their ass in basketball. We never posted the vlog because it was bad footage. But we're playing tennis today. I'm exhausted and sore, but we're still gonna beat their ass. Can't let them beat us. So this guy can't score on me.
No, I'm telling you, once I get one good volley, it's game over.
You got to get it on the court first. I think he's actually decent. I got two.
Rumor has it he's coming out with a tennis course next month. Tennis course coming soon.
Man, this is gonna be easy work, bro. You talked a big game.
No. Listen, I'm warmed up now.
Okay, you ready? You want to go to that side?
Didn't I tell you to bring that bag? Never forget. He left his at home. Look what I did to him. Bring that bag.
Go over there. You're about to lose for the third time.
That was good. They don't want you to know that I hold my own. Oh, you!
Advantage.
Oh, is that not mine?
No, it's out.
Wow.
Wait, oh yeah, game. Damn.
There was clearly a better player.
Serve that shit again and stop making them go 8 feet in the air.
Cheers.
It's Modelo time, Holmes.
Modelo.
Long ass week, most stressful week in a while, but how it goes, you know. Cheers. Cheers.
I thought you were a college dude, bro.
I haven't done this in a while. You're just slinging the most info in the info space. Alright, we got a couple tenders, burger. You guys don't understand, nothing's more American than a burger, fries, and Coke.
You got it, big dog?
I mean, that's the least I could do. I'm not paying for the boat. All in one full swoop. CIA, bang! No, you can't put that on the video though.
Hey, man's a big chillin' over here. Yo, push him off. Whoever gets in the water loses. Whoever gets in the water loses. Oh, yo, what a cheater.
He started late, I mean early. Which one? I don't know.
I think going viral on like informative style content is a little tricky, especially because it's so saturated right now. The reason why like I can get a video pop up like that or in mine is just off the strength that the name has been built. But I like what you're doing with the live closing. I've seen those. They pop up recommended all the time for me.
Yeah, those have been made. So we're gonna do like a yacht event for our mastermind, and we're gonna have like a big Lucy flag, like Lucy times Closer Cartel. So if you want Lucy, I'll give you a discount code.
That's lit.
Fire, bro.
Show me a Lucy.
Sponsored by Lucy. they have wintergreen? They got everything. Bro, they got espresso. I like the cinnamon. Yeah. Mango, apple ice. Ooh, mango. And they're all, it's like natural, clean stuff. It's not like Zen. Yeah. Zen's got a lot of fake shit in it. I got some for you. What do you do? I don't know what your favorite is. But Blue Label, one of my favorites.
I love it. I drink a lot of this with Tristan.
I knew.
The smell brings memories. Oh yeah.
I asked his mom. He said you guys like Johnny Walker.
His mom's a good guy.
Of course, though. Of course.
Being from the country's a different thing.
It is.
But I look at it like this, like just because like we're suit, I say super boots.
Yeah.
I mean, it's always the union.
I agree. Bro, ask this guy. They got me saved in their contact list with Hillbilly.
Yeah, Ocean Drive, listening to Aldi. It's a juxtaposition. They're like Rambo, country music. They don't know what they
We do the exact same thing. You didn't see it, but we put up the G-Wagon full of guns and fishing poles.
Yeah. I don't think he's making that all.
Nothing, bro. Nothing at all. Of course, bro.
I should have been a cowboy. I should have learned to road ride. Wearing my 6-shooter, riding my pony on a cattle drive, singing those campfire songs. Oh, I should have been a cowboy.
We're doing just like pistol stuff right now, right?
What you have to do is you're gonna have to fire from the holster on the timer 2 rounds. Slide lock, empty, reload, 4 here. Now, if it hits the line, it counts. Obviously, if it's out, it's out. If it's out, it's 2 seconds on top of your time. If it's outside of either the head or the chest. The one on the left.
Can I shoot that to see if I'm sighted in first? Will, do you have ears on?
Yeah, I have yours on.
Let's see if this one's sighted. Yeah.
That was a good run. You had 640. Good, got it. Good. 561.
Man, I think I can touch 5, bro.
Think so?
I honestly do, because I can feel the slow parts. I've never done this.
So where do you think your draw is fast? Your target acquisition could be just a little.
I could shave a couple off of acquiring the dot. When I come back, it's fast, but the first acquisition is a little slow, and then I could. That one was a horrible reload.
Yeah.
I mean, that's like 30 milliseconds.
561. I mean, still in the 5s. This is fucking good.
It's you.